Well, global share markets lifted once again over the past 24 hours, even though there was a real mix of news coming out of the US market in particular. Consumer confidence has really softened over the past month, with it getting down to levels that we haven't seen since 2009. And I really suspect that the crisis we did see over the US debt ceiling has really impacted on US consumers, and they are concerned about the US economic outlook, and they have every reason to be. The US Federal Reserve, on the other hand, did provide a little bit of positive news. It seems like they are really seriously considering further support for the US economy. However, the real effect for us here at home in New Zealand is that with rising equity markets and concern about the US economy, this is really driving pretty hot demand for the New Zealand dollar. Over the past couple of days, we have risen against the US, as we have been forecasting over the past couple of weeks. And early on Wednesday morning, we've risen to over 85 cents and trading at 85.60 against the US dollar. Local New Zealand scheduled prices for lamb are certainly looking very positive at the moment, and the outlook is also looking pretty good. Now, meat processors will be starting to get into the nitty-gritty of negotiations for the Christmas trade period, and this is important for local farmers because it really will set the price in some of our premium markets, but also for some of our premium products. Now, this will have a big bearing on how lamb prices will fare over the coming season. And actually, in some of our markets, we are starting to see some consumers squeal a little bit at the very high in-market prices, but local schedules should be underpinned by the fact that global markets are fairly short of supply. Already, we have seen alliances out in the media talking about the potential for lamb prices to be over $100 per head in the coming season. There's every chance of this, and I'm actually picking that at least at the beginning part of the season, this is going to be closer to $110 or even a little bit more.